Hello traders, welcome back to Nathan Trading Academy. I hope all of you are doing well. In today's video, we will analyze tomorrow's market for 5th August 2026 using various data parameters. At the end of this video, I will also share the important support and resistance levels along with the possible trading scenarios for tomorrow. So let us begin. So let us first look at the global cues. So Gift Nifty, let me open that chart. Okay. So Gift Nifty chart. Gift Nifty is trading around 24,697, which is almost flat after today's decline. This indicates that tomorrow's opening may remain neutral to slightly positive, but confirmation will come only after the first 15 to 30 minutes of trading. So today's institutional data is quite interesting. So let me pull out that data. Okay. So in the NSE capital market, FII net buying, as we see here, which is going to be 2,219 crores, and DI net selling 685 crores. Combined market FII buying, which is going to be 2,446 crores, and DI selling, which will be 936 crores. This tells us one important thing. Although today's market closed in red, foreign investors were aggressive buyers. Domestic institutions booked profits. This is generally a positive sign for the medium trend. Okay, so now moving towards the India VIX. India VIX closed around 1290, increasing nearly 2.2% on the daily chart. The VIX is still below the dangerous zone of 15. That means the panic situation, that means the uh, panic is still absent. Expect normal intraday volatility. No major fear is visible in the market. So let us move back to Nifty chart for the 15 minutes time frame. Okay. So this is the Nifty chart. Today's Nifty closed near 24,615 after profit booking from yesterday's rally. Daily structure price is still trading well above the important higher lows. The overall trend remains bullish unless key support break. Important levels from the liquidity areas from this chart, which we can see, this is the important area, that is resistance. And after that, which will be 24,774. And the first support, which we can see 24,515. And the second one, 24,430. So further, if it breaks below, then there is a chances to move towards 24,300. If Nifty sustains about 24,703, expect another move towards to 24,774 and possibly higher. That is maybe moving towards 24,800. If it breaks below 24,515, selling pressure can increase towards 24,430 and further towards 24,300. Now moving back to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty closed near 57,907 after today's correction. Daily structure remains positive major liquidity levels as we see on the chart. So that is the resistance 58,068 and another resistance 58,247 and the immediate support which you can see 57,400. If Bank Nifty crosses 58,000 this level above, buyers may push it towards 58,250 and further. Below 557,460, sellers could dominate and can move towards 57,200. Now, let us see at the Sensex what is happening with the Sensex. Sensex corrected nearly 200 points today. Immediate resistance, as we see here, that is 78,450 and 78,900. And the support zone, if it is going to be 78,200, which we can see this is the support zone. And further, even this also is going to be 78,000 support. As long as Sensex stays above 78,200, this level, the larger bullish structure remains intact. Now, the same things let us observe on the option chain for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is for Nifty. So as we see here, the major call side open interest, which is going to be 24,700 and 24,650, and further, which is going to be there towards at 25,000. These are going to act as a resistance. Like 25,000 is a major open interest is there, open interest, call open interest, and 24,700 is going to be another hurdle, and 24,650, okay, 24,650 is going to be the another hurdle. And at the calls put side, put open interest, if we see exactly at 24,600 is going to dominate almost like 2,23,000. And further, even you can see 24,500 and 550 are going to be the major support levels based on the available option open interest call option chain. So strong call writers are active near the upper resistance zone and put writers continue defending lower support levels. This suggests that market is currently inside a trading zone or trading range. For tomorrow, watch for breakout above resistance or breakdown below support before taking aggressive positions. Avoid trading in the middle of the range. Wait for confirmation. Now, let us see option chain for the Bank Nifty. So, major call writers, which you can see 77,145, that is going to be 58,000, right? This is the call writers. And where another major open interest, which we can see, that's going to be 59,000, okay? So in between, there is 58,500 is also some open interest is, we can see 58,500. And at the put side, as we observe that, which is 58,000 put. So this is 58,000 is going to be make or break situation because put open interest 52,098. And next level, which we can see, 57,500 is going to be the support, and 57,000, let us see, that's going to be 30,000. So next important support for Bank Nifty, which is going to be the value like 57,000. So now based on this, so buy only after confirmation above the resistance levels, targets which we can keep, previous highs or next liquidity zones, maintain stop loss below the breakout candle. So bearish scenario, sell only if support breaks with a strong volume targets next liquidity support levels. So that is what I have given the support levels here. Avoid selling near major support. So overall, today's correction looks more like profit booking because as institutional data which tells that by institutional data which is indicating that domestic institutions are booked their profits because they are sellers almost 600 crores they have sold. So today's correction looks more likely profit booking rather than a trend reversal. FIs continue to support the market while India VIX remains under control. Tomorrow's opening and the first 30 minutes will be crucial. Trade only after confirmation. Never chase never chase the market without confirmations. Always use proper stop loss and position sizing. If you found this analysis useful, please like the video, share it with your trading friends, and subscribe to Nathan Trading Academy for daily market analysis. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. So finally, Nathan Trading Academy is not SEBI registered. This video is intended solely for educational purposes. Trading and investing in the stock market involve financial risk. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Nathan Trading Academy is not responsible for any financial losses arising from the use of this analysis. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow in the next educational video. Until then, bye-bye. Good night.